Hello and thank you for visiting the IHISL website. My name is Gabriel Fife. I'm a co-director at IHISL, and I'd like to give you just a short introduction of the work that we do at IHISL and our future directives for research. We've been conducting biomechanical studies over the past few years and have a team of researchers that have a long range of experience and expertise that allows us to make decisions and research plans that allow for evidence-based investigations of understanding injury characteristics based off of an epidemiological standpoint. Our main interest is head injuries, and with that we are making steps to better understand the biomechanics of head injury, and at some future date are making efforts to understand the threshold of sport-related concussion and severe head injury that occurred during sports, especially combat sports. Like I said, we try and approach things from an evidence-based standpoint, and our first step is always epidemiology. So we go to tournaments and keep a record of injuries and do analyses to better understand what injuries are most important and the specific situations that are involved with those injuries. And then from a biomechanics standpoint, we try and understand the mechanisms that cause these injuries. So our earlier studies involved Taekwondo athletes and other martial artists kicking test dummies to understand the biomechanics of head injury. Our future directives are to be using sensor technology that are actually placed on the athlete's head during competition that don't provide any discomfort for the athletes, but do allow us to get live data when people are hit in the head, so we can understand the mechanics of injury as it occurs. Our next step in understanding injury and providing a higher level of safety for athletes is studying the performance of safety protective headgear in martial arts. And with that, we do impact testing on various headgear models. At this point, we've tested Taekwondo and boxing. And what we plan to do is use these data to better understand how manufacturers can apply our results to designing safer headgear to make you and your athletes safer during competition. So we thank you for visiting and welcome any interaction and contact that you may have, maybe even questions. If there's anybody that has interest in testing their products, please contact us at ihisl@gmail.com. And we thank you very much for your visit.